Good morning, welcome back to another recipe video. I'm gonna make my brother for lunch today for school. We are making some bang bang shrimp sandwich. Okay, of course we have a shrimp taco. What? Pause. Let's do this again. We have some shrimp, carrots, lettuce, green onion. You can use this sauce or you can make your own sauce. I can make my own sauce from scratch, but ain't nobody got time for that. We're moving on. Anyways, green peppers and the sandwich bread. And these are the seasoning I'm gonna be putting on them. Yeah, some cornstarch because I'm gonna fry the shrimp. Some sake, mirin, garlic, paprika, MSG, a little soy sauce, pink Himalayan salt, ground black pepper, and baking soda. So these are going on the shrimp only. So remember that. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm making some fish sauce. Put some fish sauce in the water. Ugh, you don't want to much, that things. Anyways, you don't want too much. It's very strong. That's what it says. That's a very hot water. And then add your pepper flakes. Honestly, I could be doing this over the stove, but we'll see. That's sugar cube. That's the sugar I use. And I'm just gonna. The sugar's even melting in there because it's so hot. Squeeze in some lime juice. This I'm gonna put it in the microwave and put in all the sugar because fish sauce is extremely salty and very pungent. This I'm gonna put the vegetables in. Okay, and I put all the seasoning and just a little bit of baking soda. You see that? Just a little bit. Don't want too much. Again, the seasoning I showed earlier, this is what I put on here. And I'm just gonna stir this up and fry it. Anyways, you fry that shrimp in the oil. You don't want it too much. See? That's enough right there. While the shrimp is like that, I'm gonna put the sauce on it while it's still hot. And now the fish sauce, I put it on the stove. The water is sugar. This one I put the stove on high for it because I want it to go really fast since I'm gonna put the vegetables in it. This is very pungent. You might want to put your stuff on because this is fish sauce in the making. And now I have the sauce on the shrimp. I'm just gonna get started with the plating. Yeah. You might want to put your fan on for this. This thing is so pungent. Okay. And also you can adjust it to your liking. I tested it and it wasn't to my liking, so I added more sugar. But yeah, leave it on the stove like that. Oh, hold on. And add the carrots and sweet peppers. Like my brother who never comes to the kitchen ever, this thing got him coming in the kitchen asking, what is that smell? Well, good food. Don't judge the food by the smell, okay? Period. Okay, and this is the sandwich. So under it, I added some lettuce. Probably see it. But yeah, the lettuce is under here, and I added some what's it called? The carrots and the sweet pepper, as you can see, and some fresh onions. Now I'm just gonna put the shrimp on top. My camera is not cooperating today. We're going out tonight. And am I gonna leave it open like this and put it in his lunch kit? You're absolutely right. Yes, I am. No, I didn't put any kind of sauce on the bottom either, because you don't want it soggy. So, okay, so this one don't want to cooperate. Then you can stay out, okay? I didn't put any kind of sauce on the bottom because it's already saucy by itself. Anyways, I'm just gonna put this on top, some green onions. And we have us a beautiful po' boy. Shrimp po' boy. Yeah, period. Now I'm just gonna show you guys whether he finished the lunch or not. You ready for it? You ready for it? Oh. Oh. Slow down. You ain't gonna be that loud. Okay. Now let's see. Chang. Wow. Okay. Only thing left was the smoothie, which is fine because he already had a Yoplait yogurt and he ate that and left this. That's cool. This is going back in the fridge. It's still reusable. And now he ate all the sandwich. Slay. Oh, again. Oh, the smell is putting me in a trance. Oh my god, it smells so good as always. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe or like if you like it. If you don't like it, that's okay. You know, everybody have their own preference, but make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next week. Bye.